I popped something.
I popped everything I had.
Lucky.
Hey guys! Hey guys! Today my friend Laurene and I are going to be making music.
We have some instruments for you guys right down here.
Let's do it!
No.
Alright guys, this is our burping challenge. Send this video to your favorite YouTubers and make them do the same challenge. And this is hard to talk after all this sugar.
We just drank a lot of sugar in a very short amount of time.
We're gonna go run stairs.
I can't talk without shaking.
Please subscribe and check out Laurene's channel.
Yes,
link
please.
in the description below. We're not sleeping tonight, and neither should you. Just watch all of our videos all night. Like this video if you liked it, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Post it on Facebook, I don't know. And we'll see you guys next week.
Oh.
I post videos every day. If I don't die tomorrow, don't go into a sugar coma. Videos every day on this channel. Please subscribe, and we'll see you guys
Thank you for
tomorrow.
watching.
Moosh. Oh. Damn, that was good. That was terrible.
By the end of this month, Adiel, you're gonna know us closer than anyone, probably.
We'll be on your face.